Hi, this is Chris, and I would like to show you the other way to activate a macro. So I showed the previous video how to activate a macro via a macros option. Now, if you don't know how it works, I will put a link below in the description to the previous video. And then also, if you don't see developer tab, you can find the link to the video explaining that. So basically, other option is to use the buttons. So you already see I have one button. Basically, if you want to create one, you just click on Insert, then I choose Button, then I choose the size. So if you know how the paint works, or maybe you used CorelDRAW in the past, it's quite similar. So I basically drag, let's say I want to have this size, and then it's asking me to which macro I should associate this button to. So I can create a new one. I can record a new one, as I explained in the previous video. But I already have one macro, and it's called My Clear All. So I click on it, and then I click OK. Then button 3 is not the nicest name, so let's change it. I click on the name. I will select Full, and I will click Clear All as below. Then I click next to the button, and I can already use it. So just to see it how it works, basically, let's go first to the macros like we did before. Let's click on Edit, and then in the modules, module 1, I have a procedure called My Clear All, which for cells from A1 to Z99 will clear the contents. So basically whatever is in the cell will be deleted. Let's test it, whether it works. So let's say I put something over here, something over here, and just to make sure that it works below Z99. Let's go to cell 100, put something over here. Okay, so I click on my button and my values disappear, but not over here, because as you may remember, I have chosen to remove values only to Z99. So if I would like to have, for example, 100 deleted, 100, I save, and then activate the macro again by a button, and then my value 100 disappeared. So that's basically all about using the buttons. One maybe more note is that right now, whenever I click on the button, I activate the macro. So if I want to come back, for example, to edit the text, I click with the right button and I click edit the text. Then I can change something over here, and then I can always click next to it. If you want to assign the new macro to it, I click assign macro, and I choose the macro that I prefer. Thank you very much for your attention, and have a great day.